Kwagu.
Yeah, that's all.
Kwagu.
Oh, you know.
Biya boko. As a boko.
Oh, you know, my friend and my battery are cut to us so Pokia Hotel.
Yeah.
Kuruma Francho.
Kuruma Francho.
Kuruma Francho.
Pool party.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it you man so say most so ever starts with the night. Actually yeah.
Starts with the night.
Night
with the stars.
Now soccer starts with the night.
So what can you
Although your DMV.
Every penty be penty.
Yeah. Now, last year, by you who know your industry.
Okay.
So what you say? You who said, your show business, the way we communicate, and for value, right?
Okay.
So what you say? The way we communicate, sometimes a choice of words, yet me, if will be any bon common. Name say no, we can no obi don't set an actor, and I say actress, if you put you back on off. You know what I say? Yeah, and who also
okay, so you not do for those.
Not the fathers. Now, me who said to go now, and I won't say you know, none of time for an outdoor, so I know that can cry. A several crisis over come to me, convince the rap. Yes, that is it. So that's it, and it is affecting most of you, and the confusion about Montum, and the picture about Montum, a ton of customers, name of fans, so more. A master of the government ain't taking you serious. Over Kaya make a 5-pack for no more handover or more administration. Now, Mekoya, the president, at that time, president, the refugee, they don't want you, but or see. Or more compare, no be a free company, you almost catch almost say, or one Casapana, or moon, almost say, yeah, kaboom. Yeah, almost says, yeah, almost 5-pack. And we can wait. Yes, yes. I don't know, so now, and someone more cry from one about near communication. I send you high and says about one thing. I send you on your way, also a I send you a and kind of time wait. I said that is communication skills. But I've seen that most of the celebrities they lack it and I'm breaking or more down. So, what I said, Kwaku, on this issue. What do you have about?
The meeting here, I can't check for another 40 years. One thing is, and you'll be any Lucas. I never press it here, see we are seeing. Sinipa, Umrea, why homework or Umrea, you will go out with a moment to be our Cassidian and the problem below wash on commodity. The TV, and you will probably be also so who Jan is a one Cassa. If you're not a sapper, no Yama or Cassa. And so, but the problem you walk out industry say you need our industry. Obia to me if you am running or back rabbit of a fee, Abontin, our brother Papa and I, Abishi. No, I won't find you and I said, Ye Nimra, Semra, Honor, Yaguma, the Yema. Semrano, and I about you respect management. As a more respected management, who said, wouldn't be. And you see, I respect management too. You respect management. But we say the panel will bomb a chair for management and said, Nadu Mood dog, our management, or by Yaman. Now, I don't know also about it. I don't know one employee. Employment, you know, Mammy Cassan chopping for someone here to the chair. Says he can't hold the out my employee. At the moment, said the bright FM. What is way back? Light FM. Way back, okay, can't win now with Batum. I have Bama dream. Way back now we call Sicano won't nipana improve nipa. I'll wait me trianka. But we said, Medina form, eh? Want to send me to be man. So, I'm what's wrong, I made Tibia, Metibia, my waffle. But I made it for Muslim to be man. Ghana, Hankasa, Pesino, what I say. Young Yumana, yeah, for actors, you know, said you make Marcus Ghana, you pay for the Brennan, more, yeah, and pay for President MP Abai. Even when we say, you will say, it is a blaster. Said the Tracy Kadama blaster, call a capa, you kiss Cabon. Son, a movie industry, Ghana property. Ya countries be a dear a tall or Maya movie couple, and the correct international plane. So who took our blue tree? Papa, go sit be our on the TV. I will sit in the chick to say VIP our phone. Sit be our TV, movie up as our hand. I don't know what you should want. ba obeje di say wo tuso wo ko hu Nigeria movie wo say wo ko US wo ko UK say wo ko Belgium say wo ko France bro wo Nigeria movie wo mtifan say wo ye Ghana ni na wo ni bro ni seat ana bu fa say me ko akoma no kura me tiwo yi na me ko mia ba bi e me ko yi mia me movie wo play ni mo ma me bro no wote me chance no be si bi ebu me afa but obeje di say Ghana anko abro tira Ghana anko that's how international say for World Cup one bro ni bi country bi kura ni say bibi di Ghana ba ye hwa de ni so nya na me hwe India movie enti me nyini kura no minim kura fe ni India
eno na ema ya na mani gisen kan betimi edu sa Oscar standard no o movie nya ko to sa level sa standard ope na movies no e ko bi e be so okohwe this movie ya e bo di Africa yan obi a be so
okohwe movie no na to wan e to
Kenya esa so the style
ma me ka se bi o ha me bo man panyi dada akofo abaso wi ama bobo drama ni abaso hwade bi die nti na o man panyi kofo ba na ba me ofre Jacobo na abaso na Nigeria mfo na nya be fa sika do twe di free akọ ene Jacobo ye di concert ene otimi breaki na mo so mo de blofo be ye ba anfa ene odi twi ye
na na ka se okọ le go ni nyina egu ye
emfa ene Jacobo otimi breaki sa record ti o hwe eyimpro nipa e wo tata no man panyi kofo time me kokuma na be yimpro ni because e Jacobo time e di bana wo na me kokuma nso be ba
ko gudi say communication ya ka ho asem say eno so ka ho na Jacobo akate me ka no kure yensam ka de we sika yensam de we si akate
eye ho am
mo a
eye producers directors actors I will be ka kunkuma ga asema me ben as me hwina so o ma ye dai Rosalinda me hwe bi Rosalinda obesie Ghana ni ba Rosalinda hitisin kunkuma ga obesie Ghana ni ba bia na flower e hye ntigu omo mo wo edi tu Rosalinda e toso bisa sin pa no se na wo am de wato kunkuma ga papa de mi ke wat mase na mo wutimi no ma wo so ka hire nye ba ye hwa de bi sika ne propose ne man friend say wo mama mu wa de akoso ana obo Jacobo abaso ye hwa de bi wo beti di say NDC aban dada ye ko ye ana beti ho ahon atuma aso ye twa amoka sasa na ye mfa ye nya hwio aban mu na say movie industry no sebi but Ghana problem ne say politics na ekuye
meaning say ye president you know mo twa they did something e bo ama mo yin course ka
but poor ye anu tina na me ka bibi say na do abayi ye president to me say one district one factory no me bomb pie say one for one district one factory one for movie industry district in camp and I ko America na so ko Hollywood a untimi fiti preko pese me ko Hollywood do ko ede ni patuntum de na ko be
ma say tutu boko akaka
tutu foko acting na one kasa me ko kuma me ko ho me ko ye de me botai say aye kura wo bia pese odu America wo pese ko hwe obi because ya the stars wo ho we wo ho enti aton kuro no but the Ghana de ne wo enti say aba wetimi kasa one district one factory ne wo village ai na wetimi ko bi fie ko do 4 days 5 days nipa na no ho mete next time ko so pesini o twesini o pe fifefa one fam obi because mo pa mo na be 30 20 mo be ku ni fie ho se bi ebi ko don so bi ko toilet bi yese kasa nipa pese bi ko wo je na ho me ye be fifie ko ne bi about 10 about 11 o'clock
afa no nu so ye fa
wonu no ho ye konso ade tia ba papa ye san ne be tele fie
Yeah, so we can see. Yeah, so what was this now? Nearly delegated.
I saw can come in there for Google script in class and your title. Papa ye ka de be say you want this to say moving that near the camera. Hwe unum konfo wo street. Konfo on crowd prep de baby a say ye impro ne be impro na mo be makeups. The same time we be costumier. Obi be actor, obi ba be sound man. E betuma impro nipa ameko ho no say 20 acres na bana twa anase 30 acres a obekone ho na ye kuro. Enti se wo hwe abrofo se do mtichifu a omutimi free kuma senka kuma si mo ko ma ni kuma si mfimfin o betuma ko na boase eni kuma si mfimfin boase fo be benefit kuma si be benefit o fa na ho plot boy den obi a person ko tena be mo ba de bia e pese etichi kuro wo kuro.
That is industrialization.
What you say?
Localization.
Me photo tie me. Enti ye kwese ye kum ye ni akasa ye movie industry no. Chi local no. Ye ni akasa unu problem unu na dia ma hu movie industry no kuma sa. Ye de ye ho tu penfo bi so. Oh, penyin we akade a ye nyam. Penyin wa ye say and I destroy nipa bia for say your property o maja panya me just say painful wo industry mu no at say oh e bia minimum for you e bia minimum miracle from e bia minimum bia brajo na bia bibia brajo ye ne nye ese ye sick picture say do dia wo ye ne nye no
so person just why you ebinuma call godfather
what you say
nti bibia say godfather kasa
ya eno an but dey be e business e ja ko mu do ma no sie ja ko sie da kide ja ko ya kide ja ko na do afise ni dwete no mo kere no
yeah
because that time ja ko aye gold
and oye ben a obe the face
oye
obi oba be the face of the industry na ebita na chi
what you say oye denye obi bodin na koto ja ko movie wo so wo kiri ja ko wo kire ne fans because wo de sika ko ye na wanya bi no wo so ja ko ni mamento hwe kwa kuma no de bia sese mo meka ka me nya ka da dise me wo ni nya me de ade bi na so me na member we industry ebedu me me nya me dwuma me mu aten manyipa me bu aten manyakopo what is my making me to kwa 2011 satam na me hot cake me make back say me wo record bi a me time and the school for class started some over here local movies Pole for one for baby wo bam have you tell I love you God
I'm top you
about you oh no mo started some more trending o mo didi ni ko 2011 satam me hot cake producers ni ko ye meeting the whole producers account film producers ko ye meeting na obi atimi anya kokodo apagya ne sa ade ya kokuma na nya visa ko America ya nkelina
me mo ja mo money pa
me money pa project
yo kan en kro na
oh maka se mo maka nye se bia mso da me ko mi ka movie industry dey e ba se money ko from ne wo ma o mo ho chiro mo pa o
beba oh asema ye kan asem ba ko a wo be kan no adi mo so kan na akoto producers na kan so tim bi su kwa so a big fish
utie me
na influence wo
utie me enti ya ka afre wait me oh
American quality
me American quality nye se bia ma ye boni o
Misaba.
me tu kwan
Only watem.
me ni wakem oh na se e bi si me ti me kam na se mu kura adwuma yi ko fom ya ye nya edi etia ko wuro ba bia obi a present ne sa be ko na no me ye ko American asewa yi na sen yan na me kam yes me twam ni po ba ko ma na be fo me ka na producer ba ko tini kam na madam funi tini no say oh ade akwaku wa no so me na me se me gina yi ni Ford ashkala bi o say oh na jo me hu producer say kwaku na ti sa kan mo say akon so aya hu so papa
oh
adwuma no kwa gu no adwuma na gu na me sa ti me kam no
I say one ni
baby o na sinya dwuma ye ya actor
Nkoto.
wonim na se wo si dan ya producer si meet me so ti am say ade ti wo si dan
and the way omo communication there
David emra ni industry enti na me sa ba se o me fa
o say we no hu nya say nka as producers ni we no ye be catch them some mon kan sa ase mu ya say because who develop talent na and one ambassador di hu
wo he ba na kaponya Ghana na Ghana actor be sika 40,000 ko na kese mkota na ko America na ko South Africa na da na woni di South Africa movie ko so the whole world they am a ton a crony you movie the whole world
bibia because say omo na say omo say aprofo di bibia by friend aero trainer a movie say aeroplane na say every second be 9 meters aero train no the movie there and promote to go one account is na say there HC go ha tade and I say was a drink by a friend Akufo Addo memo
obi amoya
on friend Akufo
na obodi
memo product in America
okay one obi amoya
na me see me be a make na eno ni na emam di ka hu sa bi no na asa akobi wa tu mi ka bread na bet sense ko na oni o mama target shot we ade no I say ade no projective product and who has after flow to Ghana has it am
papa what I say unti say ya onu bebre ni hu say sini duma de why ye twa oka but o man no ye nya hu so fa so na duma de ba ko wo say wo tu kwa aburu kira and at times wo ti e movie no local no wo ti ase bro wo ti mi akasa me pese kwa me tu kwa ya ho me hwe local movie say ye twi movie no because e bia wo free ba bia wo free ba ni pa na wo kosra no ko aduma account ho eti movie ni na wo be hwe se bi omi am movie bo ma na mi yese mi to na ni a che me ho na me ho to me se form
omo hwe ni na ma omo se omo krom di
omo krom ni because oni abrofo be bebree kyerɛ nkɔɔ na deɛ ɔmo kyerɛ Kenya wɔn ɔmo tete tim dɛm na ɔmo abobɔ bɔ asomate ne adeade no ebi nim sɛ ana akɔ bi sa na maame m'anim wo sɛ maame sɛ maame are you true say if you go to Ghana you see ice cream or so the one no ka no benya so benya ice cream adi ne maame yɛ sure abra me ka kyerɛ maame sɛ wo go no only local movies bi man we say say the buildings ne so na yɛ sure sɛ Ghana oni so ba kunkun wiem
eti si ya body image bi ama countries African countries na ma omo say ye eba dia
oje enti hwe wo bibro ni kro wo bibro ni kro Ghana kra na ka so won kokra no wusu oni mo de
yeah na say me busa American ni but I've been a worry busa say Ghana to say also South Africa America is full of stress full of unnecessary stress
bla serious but yes same pay for say wo de hwe na me hu say me ma me na na ya no ka se me we ko kakra pasi papa bi pa modi na papa no woni me di hwe ya to baba idi koko o tie program ntia mpefo na me bo mo di ban ya to me maka no GH1 ya to baba idi koko ya to baba ya ma me na ya to ma peace and love woni bibi omo pa na industry ni ko from dada on the bo bi afa brem koma wo but na me expect bi from ntia na keso mo timi free actors producers marketers wo bia directors crew members ni na momra se Kumasi ni yesi o senka ni yesi o utumuta ne abetene pa Kumasi ye twa movie sin bia eti ye besia o Kumasi na ada producers ni nya ye besia o culture center ye totu ya no adwuma no ti ne wo Ghana ye wo parliament se de bia ye kodwemi no ma no ho nsem wo parliament
oni
papa
ye be ko asa
me ba we stop wo kakra ya eti ko na me expect bi o ake nye kusia ne adwemi nsase mo ka betuma ma sampenfo wo adwuma mo ye na ye fo papa do say ni yenhyem mramma ye actors yenhyem mramma police hey wo ya actors ni sisi e kofom wo ji say ye be mo si wo ji say be si but ye ko location we wi anse na we afre we ama we yakọ aso ne wo location na producer for the case wo twen
eke hu hia be on sese ya o ka do na ye ka se de kofom eke hu hia o
se mo amo sa tutu mo nyo
eke hu hia
Everybody man ya ye mra ne ye dia
ye develop mo amo
oh bla payin na tie first am for start say wo mu twese ni gum wako produce sini no obi she fie the same elesina no printed dia ba wo bad bet no bo ma no no ton sini no ya ton ko fo hwe be ko no sika ketu abi ye ti me ko tim ko fo bi wo mu fie wako ti no wako police station na manifam wako free producer panyi ba ko aba we interaction we fie nipa hey ba
I 2014 super 2013-14 no every month with me the series be 300 Ghana cedi kwa buchi movies selection no akoma akwa buchi but now just how the kokwa enfama
na wọ́n tó cities wọ America yẹn mú so wọ́n tó shop na abúlé abọ́ nyina hwẹ́ cities náà tán mẹ́kọ́ ó ní ahàn adwuma náà yẹ yìí o tí bí sùn kọ́ yẹ bẹ̀rẹ̀ ní adwuma ẹni ọtí store náà ó bá yà sẹ́kùn ẹni ọ̀sán àtọ̀ credit ẹni èsì àṣẹ náà ó kó internet so for WhatsApp a obiara yẹ dẹ etimi ẹkasa.
ọ̀gá ẹ̀ máa sọ ní èyí ẹ̀ máa sọ dọ́pọ̀ kọ́kú jùmọ̀ na ye brana we mo bia 1 minute communication yes
Mami again no was mami yo.
Bro, I think the communication go kumelo am my digest.
Yeah.
I think that should talk. Let's go kumenya ho ke be person papa.
Yeah, go. Let's go.
Let's week ni ale sim ko di akra dia. Si am nso dan tra.
So what you say Kumasi moving be je na Kumasi what you want to say the what you say you want kwa kuna no obi akoka one e let adwan ko then one e let
o hin ba me ba ayi ma DJ o ku sama sama aya o dabi video o ku sama sama melu ano ayi ba me ba to dabi o tin sisi a o tin o de me ba o fi bantam a na o fi ankasa na
dabi fi kuma
adi na nkocha
no 30 seconds alright me kwa kasa wo 30 seconds communication there
kwa kasa wakati
next week
belia eme kakane se obi akwa kutwa mu na nipa no ye na ade no ye mfa ne se
copyright ne piracy sɛ ma bam na yakɔkye nipa no na yɛde kɔ police station na obi atutu ntoma aba sɛ oyɛ fie nipa nti yɛnya no ne nkwa de bia Frank Car
they was in nipa kono so say producer
yes sɛ Africa on ɛtɔ da yɛ sɛ nkɔtɔ ayi bu ayi mu boom no sɛ baako pia na ɔso ne nua ne mu na ɔtwe no because opia okogya no but onim sɛ oyi pia nka ɔno so bɛcha fa ho ɛdɛ pie but first one ni pie no 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 so be so ɔtwe first one no no second one ni pie etu won so money be bɔ ɔmo so no na emi enu esa gu
PhD
yes put him down ne akam we are our own enemies but ɔman bia Frank asɛm na de bi ɔka ɔman bia yɛsiesie asɛm a yɛn bia asɛm bi ɔman ne nkɔ so Ghana de bia yɛsiesie asɛm yɛn ni asɛm nipa na yɛ bɔne na mbra ne nie yɛmfa mbra ne nto de da no o yɛ me wɔ faase ɔna ɔbɛ mu ɔhene bi ne tata ɔbɛ sɛ ha
fresh kitu abi na
yeah super na Kwaku story bi o town na he said no we discuss so say Xylophone to we should campaign for Xylophone the Xylophone media boss wakasa pa wakasa nti next time you looking into that
yeah
Kwaku kan you were producer bi on what the movies 1000 akoma no what the una 1000 akoma no ono so betwa 2000 no
o twa 2000
go eju aba no ba ju sika no so cities na go no me say ya hu bi ya de koma obi e work koma obi eti na omo na ku omo wake up anya saa de hu jimu a obi be ko no they won't like it because yeah ko pise they be lose the lives of Ejako you be lose the lives of Kwaku Menu the Rama Browns and others it's a strong you come baby I didn't say omo wake up anya saa you baba now 5 pack for so Mr. They should check on their communication. Their communication is very slow.
On this next week.
And communication in what Timia interview on a station like Light FM. Now when Timia more man be a din. What's that? They should wake up. They are coming.
Yeah, only members one is so I say you know hang out with